Rogers from Scooby Doo. Alrighty, let's draw Shaggy's face. Start with his head. Right about there. He's got a lot of hair, Shaggy does. Little bits of fun right about there. Alrighty. Bring that down like that. And let's bring this here like that. Bring up your ear here. This will be his ear right about there. Just like this. Little bit of a hair bit sticking out like that. And then we can bring his shaggy hair down just like this. That's why he's shaggy, I assume. He's got shaggy hair. Alrighty now. Let's bring his face down. He's got a bit of a round, ovally type face, just like this. There we go. Just like that. That looks good. And what we're going to do is bring his neck down here just like this. And there. Alrighty now. Over here he's got a little bit more hair coming up like that. And now what we're going to do is draw his nose. Shaggy's got a bit of a nose here, so we're going to come up here like this and down like that. And then his eyes come around here like that. And we'll draw his other eye right about here like that. Very nice. Let's not forget some eyebrows. One there. And we can draw another one there. And let's bring his eyes around here so he's looking at us. Right about here. Very nice. Now let's give Shaggy a big old smile. There we go. This is a fun cheek bit there. Bit of a chin. Bring that on up like that. And here's his teeth. Very nice. I like it. Shaggy's also got a bit of a chin bitty on his hair there. Hair on his chin, I should say. Alright, now we can get to his clothes. He's got kind of a loose baggy shirt, just like this. There's his shoulder. There we go, there's his arm bit. Bring his shirt down like that, and up like that. Right like that. Let's go over to the other side. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring his arm over here like this. Just like that. And we're gonna bring it down like that. And we're gonna bring his arm in like this, as if he's pointing to himself. We'll do that. Bring his arm over here like this. And then we're gonna bring this arm. This is his pinky finger. There we go. One there. We'll bring his fingers down here. 2, 3. There's his fourth index finger there. And then his thumb can be here, just like this, as if he's pointing to his chest. Very good. There's his palm. Oh, I like it. There's his shirt bit. Alright, we're ready to go. We can draw his neck in behind his hand now, just like that. And now we can bring his body down like this. There we go, just like that. There's his shirt, all shaggy and baggy like. Give it a bit of a whirly-woo there, just for all of the wrinkly bits he's got. Alright, now let's bring his elbow over here, just like this. There's his forearm over here like that. There's his top of his arm. Bring that there. Here's his wrist. Right on his hip like that. There's his thumb. Bring the palm here like that. And let's bring his hand here like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. Perfect. Finish his back off here like that. Oh, I like it. Now we can bring his feet down. Or his legs, I should say. And he's still got baggy old pants, he does. Lots of roomy pants he's got, just like this. There we go. Bell bottoms, you called them back in the day, just like that. There we go. Let's bring this around like that. There we go. Very nice, everybody. This is looking good. Now all we got to do is his boots. A bit of a heel there. There we go. And his toes sticking out like that. Let's do the same on this side. Bring that on down. There we go. Nice, I like it. Give him a bit of a texture on his shoe like that. Very nice, I like this. It's Shaggy, everybody. Shaggy Rogers from Scooby Doo. Let's get to the color. Shaggy has light skin color, a green shirt, light brown hair, dark brown pants, gray shoes. Thanks, everyone.